You are a salesperson, so you're a student of human behavior. The most accomplished salespeople start with the human behavior that affects every sale, their own. Take a deeper dive into your own selling style and the buying styles of your sales prospects, so you can deepen your connection and move past sales activity to sales accomplishment. The Maxwell Method of Sales Impact Report provides you with a detailed explanation of your selling style, its strengths, and its limitations. Once you have learned how you communicate to sell and use the matrix of customer buying styles, you'll gain a clear picture of the dynamic between you and your clients. A dedicated section of the report explains how you can adapt to best suit the buying styles of your potential clients. This report opens to you invaluable truth about how you communicate and gives you clarity to help identify how other people want to be communicated to within the sales environment. Grow your sales and the sales of your team to match your true potential with the Maxwell Method of Sales Impact Report. In our Sales Impact Workshop, you will work through your results with your John Maxwell Team Executive Director to discover how you can change the way you do business, moving from transactional sales to relational sales, increasing your connection with others, your influence, and your impact. And sales managers, using our Sales Leadership Impact Report, you will be equipped to grow your ability to lead your team to reach the new sales records they deserve. Experience unbridled sales success with the Maxwell Method of Sales Impact Report.